Hello. Today I have something kind of exciting. I think I've never handled one of these, and I think this is the first time a video of these have been made on the YouTube. So let's see what it is. The Manix 2 Lightweight. Yeah, never handled one of these before. Oh. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Let's try again. There we go. This is the Lightweight in 15V. Made in Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. Pretty cool. I like the lightweight, grippy FRN scales. Feel good. It's got a full kind of back spacer. There's no gap. It's pretty nice. Limited edition sprint run. Cool. Back. It's got a 3.37 inch blade. Let's see here. Got a military 2. Quite a bit shorter. Paramilitary 2. Shorter, about the same blade. A little less blade length. I have a feeling it's about the same size as the Shaman. Oh, actually a little bit shorter than the Shaman. Yeah, good feeling knife. Very cool. All right, so it's the next day. Spent some time with this guy. Yeah, I like it. Kind of used to having all titanium knives I usually carry around. But I really like this FRN, the way they got it all grippy. The back part filled in's nice. Doesn't pinch into your hand and grab it. I think it'd be pretty durable for a good long time, unless you totally abuse the heck out of this thing. Manix 2. It's a good size knife. It's fun to flick around. Just got to be conscious where your pinky is. Manix 2 Lightweight. Very cool. Let's go grill some brats.